Yo guys, it's CNN and today we are gonna have a look at the TikTok viral, Temu viral superpower turbo fan or blower, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure you guys seen videos of this everywhere. We're actually gonna test it out and see how good it is and see if it really does what all these videos are showing of it. So this is the box over here. I'm sure you must have just saw the video at the start where we used it to fill up an exercise ball. And it actually did a pretty good job, surprising. It's just the sheer power of it, really. It wasn't even a tight seal, just the power of it was able to blow it up. So this is the box it comes in. Superpower turbo fan. So apparently it can do 130,000 RPMs. And it can probably travel at 52 meters a second. I'm guessing that's what that is. Maximum wind speed can reach 52 meters per second. High speed brushless motor, super power, long lasting stability, super working time. It's got 2 times 21700 batteries which are rechargeable. It's got over temperature protection and automatically stops when the temperature reaches 150 degrees. I feel like 150 is quite a lot for it to stop. I'm assuming X3 is the brand that probably makes this one. Got a few features on the side over here. Same ones on that side. On the back over here, we've got a few more technical info. So if you want to check that out, you can pause that and see the little technical info about it. But it's quite powerful. I mean, according to this, 52, the scale of the wind force is 15. Damn. Fair enough. So, straight out the box, very simple. We've got a USB-C to USB Type A cable, and we've got the main device itself. We did have a user manual, but I'm pretty sure I chucked that out when I was testing the device. But whoever reads the user manual anyway. So here it is. Here is the build quality. Damn, it's quite heavy. Feels durable. It is a plastic casing all round, but it feels like a good quality plastic. Doesn't feel cheap at all. The buttons are very clicky. We do have magnets for this attachment at the front over here. And you can see here it fits in a certain way with those 2 divots there. So it fits in a certain way and slaps on just like that. We've got some sort of ventilation at the bottom over here. We've got some marking, which I'm guessing is the branding of the company. We've got an LED indicator here, each one indicating 25% battery charge. And we've got a USB Type-C charging port. Over on this side over here, this would be the main power on and power off. So if we press and hold this, I'll just focus the camera right on here. Press and hold, you can see that it powers on. And we've got the LED indicator at the bottom over here. And if you press and hold the front one, this is a trigger. And this is the main blowing function over here. And we'll see it spin up. That's pretty powerful. So we do have full charge. You can flick through 3 different modes. So low, medium and high. That was just high. We've got low mode. A little bit quieter. More like a hairdryer sort of sound. Medium. Bit more powerful. Fairly loud. And then high. That's super loud. It's pretty cool. It is pretty cool. There's a lot of cool features you can do with this, like a lot of cool things you can do with this as well. One of them being filling up your exercise ball. The other one being, I've seen a lot of people use them for drying their car when they wash their car. Another one is tables like this where you get dirt and stuff in the crevice. You can simply just go along, blow it all out. So that's quite a good usage. And also in the summer, you know, if it gets really hot, this would definitely cool you down. I mean, the speed of it is quite insane. I mean, just to show you it. Like that box, that's gone. That is long gone. It is very powerful. It's really cool. Using it for a while, it did get a little bit warm, I have to say. So it is definitely a short-term use sort of thing. So if you're using it as a normal fan, when you press and hold it, you can use it as a fan. But you can see it does stop and cut out every now and then to stop it from overheating, which I think is really good. You do have blue lights inside of here as well. You can see here, which I think is a nice touch. It just looks super cool. It's a really cool device. I mean, it's just something you buy that just looks cool, really, isn't it? Like, there's not a lot of use for it. It's cool. Like, and I think in summer it will be quite useful, to be fair. It probably does cool down. I mean, the fan is super powerful. It's probably more powerful than my actual fans I use to cool you down in the summer. But then that continuously runs. This can't continuously run. It's pretty cool for the price of it. Yeah. I mean, you get turbo fans from other brands, which are like 50, 60, maybe even £80. Whereas this was like £20 from Temu. I'll try and find the same one again and put the link down below in the description. If not, I'll put Temu's link down below in the description. All you got to do is search the name of the product and you'll find it. And yeah, just search Superpower Turbo Fan. There you go, look, just that right there. But I think it's pretty cool, and I think for the price, it's definitely worth it. And there's things you could do with it. There's endless things you can do with it. So the TikTok Temu viral Superpower Turbo Fan, is it real? Is it actually powerful? Yes. I can say yes to all of it. It is real, it is actually powerful, and it is actually pretty cool and really good. So overall score, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Definitely. Pretty cool device. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned.